Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency, Governor of the Punjab, Chaudhry Muhammad Sarwar Sahib, respected Professor Javed Akram, Vice Chancellor, University of Health Sciences, Lahore, Honorable members of Syndicate of Faisalabad Medical University, parliamentarians, heads of academic institutions of Faisalabad, distinguished guests, faculty members, proud parents, graduating doctors, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, on behalf of the Academic Council and faculty of Faisalabad Medical University, I welcome you all and congratulate the students and their parents on this memorable occasion. This convocation is being held after a gap of 6 years, and it includes 4 sessions of MBBS and BDS classes. As these graduates enter into the national and international medical arena, I, as their Vice Chancellor, cannot give them a better message than what Allama Iqbal has already written for them. उठ के अब बज़्मे जहां का और ही अंदाज है, उठ के अब बज़्मे जहां का और ही अंदाज है, मशरिक़ो मग़रिब में तेरे दौर का आगाज़ है. Sir, Punjab Medical College was established in 1973 in Kisan Hall of University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. The college was shifted to present premises in 1983 and has produced around 10,000 graduates since then. Let me apprise you, sir, that Punjab Medical College, Faisalabad Medical University is the largest medical college or university in whole of the Punjab, stretching over 180 acres. The alumni of this institution are serving the nation across the country and humanity at large across the globe. They are holding important positions in the centers of excellence in United States and United Kingdom. The alumni holds scientific symposia every year in December to share their knowledge and expertise with each other for mutual benefit of patients and doctors. Sir, before joining this institution as Vice Chancellor in July last year, I had a lifetime opportunity to establish a public sector medical college at Sialkot right from scratch. I am honored and privileged again to face another challenge of building and managing a newly established medical university at Faisalabad. Faisalabad Medical University was established in May 2017, and it really required some extraordinary efforts to bring it to the level of proper functional university. We have made some headway in this regard in last 5 months. I would like to inform you, sir, that we have achieved the initial step for recognition of our university by Higher Education Commission. And now we are moving onwards to have our final recognition by Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. After that, we will be able to register our undergraduate students and hold our examinations and award degrees in the name of Faisalabad Medical University. This will, please keep silence. This will also pave the way to start diploma courses, MS, MD, MPhil, PhD, and allied health sciences programs. It will further help us in getting funding from the government, Higher Education Commission, and other donor agencies for research purposes, which in fact is the hallmark of any university. I request your honor to kindly help us in expediting this matter to get Faisalabad Medical University notified by PMDC and Federal Ministry of Health. Sir, Faisalabad Medical University has highly qualified faculty and clinical staff to run the hospitals, having 3,000 beds for patients coming from in and around Faisalabad. This is the largest number of patients managed by any medical institution in Punjab. The results of our MBBS students are second to none, and every year our students grab top position in University of Health Sciences. I wonder why this institution has been under-projected. I urge the government through your kind self to realize it and value this institution, which is not less than King Edward Medical University or Fatima Jinnah Medical University, Lahore. In last 4 years, our students have achieved distinctions in final professional examination of MBBS in University of Health Sciences, which is holding the examination of 60 medical and dental colleges. And the names include Noorul Huda Zahid, second position in university, Hafiza Faiz, third position in university, Aisha Shahab, second position in university, Hafiza Aisha Tahir, secured first position this year in University of Health Sciences. Sir, the pass percentage of this institution has never dropped below 80%, which is attributed to the able supervision of our faculty, hard work and commitment of our students. Sir, we have formulated a 15-year plan which would uplift this newly established university to international standards. In this regard, I would like to propose that once our university gets recognition by PMDC, all the public and private sector medical colleges of Faisalabad, Sargodha and Sahiwal division should be affiliated with our university to reduce the burden over UHS, which at this time is managing 60 medical and dental colleges for evaluation and award of degrees. Ever since Punjab Medical College has been upgraded to a university, the alumni of this institution are having a reservation about the name of the university due to their emotional attachment to Punjab Medical College. The authorities at that time did not consider it and they ignored to keep Punjab Medical College as part of the name of the university, like that of Rawalpindi Medical University or Nishtar Medical University, which were established at the same time. It was named as Faisalabad Medical University, ignoring the 45 years old legacy of Punjab Medical College. I join my voice with all the staff and the alumni of this institution and request you to kindly get the name of Faisalabad Medical University changed to Punjab Medical College University, Faisalabad. In this regard, I would request you to use all powers in your hands to settle this sore issue, disturbing like a thorn in the hearts of our esteemed alumni. Another issue which requires your attention, sir, is the dental section of Punjab Medical College, which was established in year 2009. At the premises of Punjab Medical College, the dental section has produced 290 dental surgeons so far. It is very unfortunate that till now the college does not have a building of its own. The PC1 in this regard has already been submitted to the government, but without any avail. I request your kind honor to help us in getting it materialized at the earliest. Sir, I would also like to bring into your notice the pending schemes of upgradation of cardiology ward of Allied Hospital and provision of linear accelerator for the cancer patients at Allied Hospital, which are also requiring your kind attention. Before I close my welcome address, I would like to acknowledge untiring generosity of one of our members of syndicate, and he is Seth Iftihar Ahmed Sahab. Seth Sahab, please. Seth Iftihar Ahmed Sahab has been a regular donor in many developmental projects at Allied Hospital, Faisalabad. We salute you, sir. Thank you so much. Our honorable members of syndicate, Mr. Khyal Castro, Mr. Adil Pervez, and Mrs. Momna Waheed are also playing a great role in functioning of this institution. It would be worth mentioning here the continuous support and regular inputs from the notables of Faisalabad division like Chaudhry Muhammad Ramzan Sahib, a well-known political figure of Toba Tek Singh, Mr. Ajmal Chima, Minister of Baitul Mal, Hafiz Mumtaz Sahib, Minister of Excise, Sheikh Khurram Shehzad Sahib, Member National Assembly, Mr. Farah Habib, who is MNA Parliamentary Secretary for Pakistan Railways, Chaudhry Zahiruddin, Minister for Prosecution, Malik Umar Farooq, Advisor to Chief Minister for Sports and Culture, who are regular visitors of our institution and hospitals, and their help and guidance to improve health services for the public is commendable. In the end, I am extremely grateful to the chief guests of honor, and distinguished participants for their patient listening and sparing their valuable time and honoring us today. I am thankful to the managing committee under the able leadership of our Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Hina Ayesha, Professor Ali Timzi, Professor Faisal Bilal Lodi, Registrar of Faisalabad Medical University, Dr. Imtiaz Ahmed Dogar, and students of FMU for their active participation to make this event a success. Long live Faisalabad Medical University, long live Pakistan.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Chancellor. I now request the Vice Chancellor of Faisalabad Medical University, Faisalabad, to present the candidates.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of MBBS and BDS, to which degree I pray they be admitted.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to announce the medals awarded to the distinguished graduates of Punjab Medical College, Faisalabad Medical University for 4 sessions comprising of the year 2014 to 2017. May I call now Dr. Atika Abbas. She will receive gold medal for securing highest marks in the subject of Behavioral Sciences second professional exam. Dr. Aisha Ghafoor. She will receive gold medal in the subject of ophthalmology, third professional exam for securing highest marks. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce Professor Tusi Gold Medal, named after Professor M.H. Tusi, who was the founder principal of PMC and first professor of anatomy. And the medal goes to Dr. Rabia Sarwar. She secured highest marks in anatomy, first professional exam, part 1. She will also receive a medal for securing third position in first professional exam, part 1. Dr. Rida Zainab. She will be awarded gold medal for securing highest marks in surgery, final professional exam. She will also be awarded medal for securing third position in third professional exam and medal for third position in final professional exam. Dr. Sara Komal. She will be awarded gold medal for maximum distinctions in all professional exams. She will also be awarded gold medal for securing highest marks in physiology, first professional exam, part 2. She will get gold medal for securing first position in first professional exam, part 1, and a medal for second position in first professional exam, part 2. Dr. Nadia Ashraf. She will be awarded gold medal in biochemistry, first professional exam, part 1. She will also be awarded gold medal in physiology, first professional exam, part 2, and gold medal for securing highest marks in biochemistry, first professional professional exam part 2. She will get medal for second position in final professional exam part 1, gold medal for first position in first professional exam. Now it's time to announce Professor F.M. Chaudhary Gold Medal, named after Professor F.M. Chaudhary, who was the second principal of Punjab Medical College and first professor of Department of Pathology, Punjab Medical College. And the medal goes to Dr. Maryam Jameel. She secured highest marks in special pathology. She will get gold medal for securing highest marks in forensic medicine in second professional exam, gold medal in community medicine, third professional exam. She will also get gold medal for securing first position in second professional exam and gold medal for securing first position in third professional exam. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to announce Professor Anis Majoo Award, named after the principal of Punjab Medical College, Professor Dr. Anis Majoo, who was also head and professor of pharmacology. And the medal goes to Dr. Khadija Zahir. She secured highest marks in pharmacology. She will also be awarded gold medal in pediatrics final professional exam, medal for securing third position in second professional exam, medal for second position in third professional exam, medal for second position in final professional exam, and she was the second best graduate for the session 2013-14. Now it's time to announce the President Gold Medal for the best graduate of the session 2013-14, and the medal goes to Dr. Sana Ilyas. She will also receive Professor Tusi Gold Medal for securing highest marks in anatomy in first professional exam part 2, Professor Anis Majoo Gold Medal for securing highest marks in pharmacology, gold medal in general pathology, gold medal in ENT third professional exam, gold medal in medicine, gold medal in gynae and obstetrics in final professional exam. She will also get medal for third position in first professional exam part 2, medal for second position in second professional exam, and a gold medal for first position in final professional exam. Dr. Mikael Zombo, our graduate from Kenya, is awarded gold medal for securing highest marks in behavioral sciences in second professional exam. He, being out of country, could not manage to attend the convocation. May I call upon Dr. Salim Iqbal to receive the award on his behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finished with the awards of session 2013-14. Now, may I call for the awards of medals for the year 2014-15. Dr. Muhammad Bilal Arshad. He will receive gold medal for securing highest marks in behavioral sciences in second professional exam. Dr. Amina Sharif. She will get maximum distinctions in all professional exam and will receive a gold medal. Dr. Wajiha Khalid. She will be awarded gold medal for maximum distinctions in all professional exams. Dr. Fatima Khalil. She will be awarded gold medal for maximum distinctions in all professional exams. May I call Dr. Hafiza Maria Shafiq to receive gold medal for getting maximum distinctions in all professional exams, gold medal in community medicine, third professional exam, gold medal in general medicine, final professional exam, gold medal in gynae and obstetrics, final professional. She will also receive a medal for securing second position in final professional exam. Dr. Muhammad Omer Jahangir will be awarded Professor Tusi Gold Medal in Anatomy, first professional exam part 2. He will also be awarded medal for securing second position in first professional exam part 2. Dr. Anis Fatima. She will receive gold medal for getting maximum distinctions in all professional exams, gold medal for getting highest marks in ophthalmology, third professional exam, gold medal in pediatrics, final professional exam. Along with that, she will also receive medal for securing third position in first professional exam part 1 and a medal for second position in third professional exam. Dr. Ramsha Shafiq. She will be awarded gold medal for securing maximum distinctions in all professional exam, Gold Medal in Biochemistry, First Professional Exam, Part 1. Professor Tusi Gold Medal in Anatomy, First Professional Exam, Part 1. Gold Medal in Physiology, First Professional Exam, Part 1. Professor Tusi Gold Medal in Anatomy, First Professional Exam, Part 2. Professor F.M. Chaudhary Gold Medal in Special Pathology, Third Professional Exam. Gold Medal in ENT, Third Professional Exam. She will also receive a Gold Medal for Physiology, First Professional Exam, Part 2. Wait, Ramsha, you will also get some more medals. Gold Medal for First Position in First Professional Exam, Part 1. She's second in University of Health Sciences. Gold Medal for First Professional Exam, Part 2. Medal for second position in Second Professional Exam. Medal for third position in Third Professional Exam. Medal for third position in Final Professional Exam. So, ladies and gentlemen, in total she gets more than a dozen of medals and she is the second best graduate of the session 2014-15. Now I'm going to announce the President Gold Medal for the best graduate for the session 2014-15, Dr. Noorul Huda Zahid. She also gets Gold Medal for securing maximum distinctions in all professional exams, Gold Medal for highest marks in Biochemistry, First Professional Exam, Part 2, Professor Anis Maju Gold Medal for highest marks in Pharmacology, Second Professional Exam, Gold Medal for highest marks in Forensic Medicine, Second Professional Exam, Gold Medal for highest marks in General Pathology, Second Professional Exam, and Gold Medal for highest marks in Surgery, Final Professional Exam. She will also get medal for second position in First Professional Exam, Part 1, medal for third position in First Professional Exam, Part 2, Gold Medal for first position in Second Professional Exam, Gold Medal for first position in Third Professional Exam, and a Gold Medal for first position in Final Professional Exam. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to announce the medals for the session 2015-16. May I call upon Dr. Nimra Shehzad. She secured third position in Third Professional Exam and will be awarded medal. Dr. Hira Lateef. She secured third position in Second Professional Exam and she will be awarded medal. Dr. Asma Majid. She will be awarded medal for second position in First Professional Exam, Part 2. Dr. Maria Irfan. She will be awarded Professor Tusi Gold Medal for securing highest marks in Anatomy, First Professional Exam, Part 1. Dr. Hania Nisa. She will be awarded Gold Medal for securing highest marks in Behavioral Sciences. Dr. Ariba Mumtaz will be awarded Professor F.M. Chaudhary Gold Medal for securing highest marks in Special Pathology in Third Professional Exam. Dr. Hafsa Shakur, Gold Medal in Biochemistry, First Professional Exam, Part 2. Dr. Muhammad Usama Azhar, Gold Medal in Medicine, Final Professional Exam. Dr. Muhammad Awais. He will be awarded Gold Medal for securing first position in First Professional Exam, Part 1, and a Gold Medal for highest marks in ENT in Third Professional Exam. Dr. Muhammad Mansoor Ijaz. He will be awarded a medal for second position in First Professional Exam, Part 1, Gold Medal in Physiology, First Professional Exam, Part 1, Gold Medal in Pharmacology, Second Professional Exam, Gold Medal in Gynae and Obstetrics in Final Professional Exam. Dr. Nargis Samreen. Gold Medal for First Professional Exam, Part 2, Gold Medal in Physiology, First Professional Exam, Part 2, Gold Medal in Gynae and Obstetrics, Final Professional Exam, and Gold Medal in Forensic Medicine, Second Professional Exam. Dr. Fatima Rahman. She will get medal in First Professional Exam, Part 1 for second position, medal for third position in First Professional Exam, Part 2, Gold Medal in Biochemistry, First Professional Exam, Part 1, and Professor Tusi Gold Medal in Anatomy, First Professional Exam, Part 2. Dr. Hira Ahmed will be awarded medal for third position in First Professional Exam, Part 1, medal for second position in third professional exam, medal for third position in final professional exam, and a gold medal for securing highest marks in ENT third professional exam. Dr. Bisma Shehzad. She will be awarded medal for second position in final professional exam. She will receive gold medal for securing highest marks in pediatrics in final professional exam and a gold medal for securing maximum distinctions in all professional exams. Dr. Hafsa Faiz. She will be awarded gold medal for securing first position in final professional exam. Dr. Ansa Akram will be awarded gold medal for highest marks in surgery in final professional exam. Now, it's time to announce the President Gold Medal for the best graduate of the session 2015-16, Dr. Amisha Tanveer. She will get President Gold Medal for being best graduate. She will also receive gold medal for securing first position in third professional exam, gold medal for securing first position in second professional exam, gold medal for highest marks in community medicine in third professional exam, gold medal for highest marks in general pathology in second professional exam, and a gold medal for highest marks in eye in third professional exam. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to announce the medals for the session 2016-17. May I call upon Dr. Usama Naeem. He will be awarded medal for securing third position in second professional exam. Dr. Kuratulan. She will be awarded medal for third position in first professional exam part 1. Dr. Muhammad Osama Ashraf will be awarded gold medal for securing highest marks in physiology first professional exam part 1. Dr. Rehab Tahir will be awarded gold medal for highest marks in biochemistry first professional exam part 2. Dr. Mehwish Aslam. She secured highest marks in eye third professional exam and will be awarded a gold medal. Dr. Gohar Jahangir, gold medal in surgery final professional exam. Dr. Kanza Iftikhar. She will be awarded gold medal for highest marks in behavioral sciences. Dr. Navera Zahid will be awarded medal for securing third position in first professional exam part 2. She will also be awarded a gold medal for getting highest marks in biochemistry first professional exam part 2. Dr. Sana Iqbal will be awarded medal for securing second position in first professional exam part 2. Professor Tusi gold medal for highest marks in anatomy first professional exam part 2. Dr. Ume Habiba. She will be awarded gold medal for maximum distinctions in all professional exams. She will also receive a gold medal for highest marks in ENT third professional exam. Dr. Fiza Kamran. She will be awarded gold medal for first position in first professional exam part 1, medal for second position in first professional exam part 2, Professor Tusi gold medal for highest marks in anatomy in first professional exam part 1, and a gold medal for highest marks in gynae and obstetrics in final professional exam. Dr. Sumbul Siddiq. She got second position in first professional exam, so she will be awarded silver medal. She stood first in third professional exam and will be awarded gold medal for that. She will also be awarded a medal for securing third position in final professional exam. She will be awarded Professor F.M. Chaudhary gold medal for securing highest marks in special pathology third professional exam. Dr. Saira Sattar. She will be awarded a gold medal for securing first position in second professional exam. medal for second position in third professional exam, another medal for second position in final professional exam. She will also be awarded gold medal for highest marks in pharmacology, second professional exam, a gold medal for highest marks in forensic medicine, second professional exam, and a gold medal for maximum distinctions. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to announce the best graduate for the session 2016-17, and the award goes to Dr. Aisha Shahab. She will receive President Gold Medal. She stood first in final professional exam and will get gold medal. She also secured highest marks in general pathology, second professional exam, and will be awarded gold medal. Another gold medal for highest marks in community medicine, third professional exam. Gold medal for highest marks in medicine in final professional exam. Gold medal for highest marks in pediatrics final professional exam, and a gold medal for maximum distinctions in all professional exams. She will be awarded a medal for second position in second professional exam and a medal for third position in third professional exam. Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to an end of medal award ceremony for the MBBS course. Now I take this opportunity to present distinguished BDS doctors graduating from Dental College attached to Faisalabad Medical University to receive their medals. Now I'm going to announce the medals for Bachelors of Dental Surgery for the session 2012-13. These are the first ever graduates of Dental Section Punjab Medical College, as Dental Section was established in the year 2009. Now may I call upon Dr. Saad Hamid. He will receive gold medal for securing highest marks in biochemistry and another gold medal for highest marks in behavioral sciences. Dr. Iram Rafiq. Dr. Iram Rafiq, please better. Thank you. Dr. Iram Rafiq will receive medal for securing third position in fourth professional exam. Dr. Zain Rafiq. He will receive medal for securing third position in second professional exam. He will also receive gold medal for highest marks in pharmacology and another gold medal for highest marks in orthodontics. Dr. Bilal Javed. He will receive gold medal for highest marks in anatomy, gold medal for highest marks in prosthodontics, and another gold medal for highest marks in orthodontics. He also secured first position in first professional exam and will get gold medal for that. Medal for third position in third professional exam, medal for third position in fourth professional exam. He will also receive a gold medal for highest marks in oral biology. Dr. Asmaur Rahman. She will receive gold medal for maximum distinctions. She will also receive medal for second position in second professional exam, a medal for second position in third professional exam, and a medal for second position in fourth professional exam. Now I'm going to announce the President Gold Medal for the best graduate for the session 2012-13 of the BDS course. May I invite Dr. Rana Aslam. She will receive President Gold Medal for being the best graduate for the session 2012-13 of the BDS course. A medal for second position in first professional exam. Gold medal for first position in second professional exam. Gold medal for first position in third professional exam. Gold medal for first position in fourth professional exam. Along with that, she will receive gold medal for highest marks in physiology, gold medal for highest marks in general pathology, gold medal for pharmacology, gold medal for dental materials, gold medal for community dentistry, gold medal for general medicine, gold medal for general surgery, gold medal for oral pathology, gold medal for periodontology, gold medal for oral medicine, gold medal for operative dentistry, gold medal for oral and maxillofacial surgery. She is the maximum medal awardee. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to announce the medals for the session 2013-14. May I call upon Dr. Salma Omar. She will be awarded gold medal for highest marks in community dentistry. Dr. Ayman Anjum. She will be awarded gold medal for highest marks in behavioral sciences. Dr. Abdul Rahman. He will receive gold medal for highest marks in oral medicine and a gold medal for highest marks in oral pathology. Dr. Zain Bey. She will receive gold medal for highest marks in orthodontics. Dr. Samira Shehzad. She will receive medal for third position in first professional exam. Dr. Ikra Rafiq. She will receive medal for securing second position in second professional exam. She will also get gold medal for highest marks in general pathology and a gold medal for highest marks in periodontology. Dr. Nausheen Iqbal. She will receive medal for third position in third professional exam. She will also get medal for second position in fourth professional exam, gold medal for securing highest marks in general surgery, and she will also get gold medal for highest marks in operative dentistry. Dr. Maria Sarwar. She will get medal for third position in first professional exam. Dr. Amina Liaquat. She will get medal for securing second position in first professional exam, gold medal for first position in second professional exam, gold medal for first position in third professional exam, and a medal for securing third position in fourth professional exam. She will also get a gold medal for highest marks in dental materials. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to announce the President Gold Medal for the best graduate of BDS course for the session 2013-14. And the medal goes to Dr. Shiza Bukhari. She will get gold medal for first position in first professional exam, a medal for third position in second professional exam, a medal for second position in third professional exam, and a gold medal for first position in fourth professional exam. She will also get gold medal for highest marks in physiology, gold medal for highest marks in biochemistry, gold medal for highest marks in oral biology, gold medal for highest marks in anatomy, gold medal for highest marks in pharmacology, gold medal for highest marks in general medicine, gold medal for highest marks in oral pathology, gold medal for highest marks in prosthodontics, and lastly the gold medal for highest marks in maxillofacial surgery. She will also receive a gold medal for maximum distinction.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Professor Dr. Javed Akram Saab, Vice Chancellor USS, Professor Dr. Zafar Ali Chaudhary Saab, Vice Chancellor Faisalabad Medical University, Professor Dr. Hina Aisha, Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Faisal Bilal Lodi Saab, respectable members of the National and Provincial Assembly, ladies and gentlemen, proud parents, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I want to say that I'm really delighted and happy to attend this convocation in this magnificent and wonderful hall. And one thing really impressed me was when I was reading all this poetry, लेकिन सच्ची बात है कि चूँकि फ़ारसी पर्शियन इतनी आती नहीं है, तो 20% समझा हूँ, 80% नहीं समझ आई। तो मेरा ख्याल ये है कि ये जो लिखा गया है इसको हमारी बेटियों ने पूरी तरह समझ लिया है, लेकिन बेटे नहीं समझ सके मेरे ख्याल। Today definitely is a day of celebration, day of joy, day of happiness for the parents, for the teachers और तमाम स्टाफ जो है फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं। और माशाल्लाह I have attended many convocations in 2013, 2014 and many convocations since September last year. But one thing I must say कि इतने गोल्ड मेडल कभी किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में बच्चों और बच्चियों ने नहीं। तो इसमें मैं जनाब वाइस चांसलर साहब को और इनकी पूरी टीम कंग्रेचुलेट देम, अप्रिशिएट देम एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल कंटिन्यू दिस वर्क एंड आई हैव नो डाउट कि पंजाब फैसलाबाद मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी एंड आई एक्सेप्ट व्हाट यू सेड कि इसका नाम जो है पंजाब मेडिकल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी होना चाहिए। एंड यू हैव मेंबर्स फ्रॉम द प्रोविंशियल असेंबली हियर एंड इंशाल्लाह मैं अभी वाइस चांसलर यूएसए से भी बात कर रहा था कि वी हैव टू ब्रिंग द एक्ट और इंशाल्लाह जब हम एक्ट लेके आएंगे तो आपकी डिमांड जो है उसको इंशाल्लाह हम पूरा करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। It is a matter of pride and privilege for me as Chancellor to preside at the first convocation of Faisalabad Medical University. My dear graduates, I congratulate you and your parents as your hard work has borne through today. You have certainly made your parents, teaching faculty and your country proud. My heartiest felicitations to the proud parents as well as who have been a consistent source of strength for their children. It is indeed a momentous day for you as you have formally become part of medical fraternity, ready to embark upon professional career and to effectively contribute to the national development. You are among those fortunate young men and women of Pakistan who got an opportunity to pursue education in medicine, but always remember that how many young men and women like you, despite having the best abilities and strong urge to pursue higher education, cannot make it due to constraint of financial resources and limited opportunities. You should therefore be thankful to your parents for their unconditional love and support. And whenever I have the opportunity to talk to the young people, young students, young graduates, one thing I always tell them, one advice I give them, कि जो आपके वालिदैन हैं वो बड़ी मेहनत से आपके मुस्तकबिल को बेहतर बनाने के लिए, आपको कामयाब करने के लिए दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं। तो एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखें कि उनकी इज़्ज़त जो है अपने वालिदैन की जितनी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सके करें, इसलिए कि आपको आपके वालिदैन की जो प्रेयर्स हैं, दुआज़ हैं, वो सिर्फ जब आप पढ़ते उस वक्त नहीं, जब भी मैं आपको आई गिव यू माई ओन एग्जाम्पल, वेन एवर आई वेंट थ्रू ए क्राइसिस, वेन एवर आई वेंट थ्रू ए डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम, एक बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि लाइफ इज़ नॉट स्मूथ। लाइफ में ऊंच नीच आती है, अच्छे बुरे वक़्त आते हैं, लेकिन मैं आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बताता हूँ कि जब भी मुझे मुश्किल वक़्त का सामना आया और जब मैंने अपनी माँ और बाप के साथ जाके उनको शेयर किया और उनकी दुआ ले ली, तो मुझे यकीन हो गया कि अब मैं नाकाम नहीं हो सकता। तो इसलिए उनकी दुआएं ज़रूर लें। और उसके बाद मैं आपको एक और बात भी बताना चाहता हूँ। आई हैव मेट मैनी प्रोफेसर्स, लेक्चरर्स, वाइस चांसलर, जिस तरह वो अपने बच्चों की कामयाबी पे प्राइड करते हैं कि माई सन इज़ डूइंग सो वेल, माई डॉटर इज़ डूइंग सो वेल, उसी तरीके से वो अपने शागिर्द जो हैं, अपने प्यूपल्स जो हैं, अपने स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं, उनके लिए भी प्राइड फील करते हैं. सो ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट योर टीचर्स एंड योर लेक्चरर्स, द पीपल हु टॉट यू दिस. As educated and professionally qualified young men and women, it is your duty to extend a helping hand to those around you and make a difference in their lives, even if it is on a very small scale. Share your knowledge and skills with them, as an act of sharing is truly an act of kindness. I would like to commend the Vice Chancellor and entire teaching faculty for their continued efforts for ensuring a conducive environment for learning at the university. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know that Punjab Medical College, Faisalabad, being one of the prestigious institutions of medical education in the province, produced outstanding practitioners and professionals who have made their mark in the profession of medicine. Punjab Medical College evaluation to the status of Faisalabad Medical University brought along many challenges, but this institution has handled those challenges well and steadily heading towards the forefront of development in medical education in Pakistan. The role performed by this institution and its teaching hospitals is imparting medical education and catering to healthcare service delivery to the population of this region is commendable. In a country like Pakistan, with limited resources, the role of health sector in providing quality health care, increasing people's access to health facilities, essential medical care and diagnostic services has become all the more important and vital. Due to diverse challenges facing the nation, health and education sectors have gained more importance than ever before. The government is encouraging its public and private sectors to become its partner for promotion of higher education, research and development in the health and allied health sector and provision of state-of-the-art medical facilities to the masses. Dear graduates, let me remind you that graduation is the start of yet another challenge of life. This challenge is far bigger and mightier in scope than the previous one. Now that you have officially become doctors, it is incumbent upon you to feel the pain and suffering of the common man, the poor and sick of this land. Our province and our country is facing shortage of qualified doctors. This is especially true in our semi-rural and rural area. I am personally aware of unique challenges faced by the common man from all far-flung areas. In addition, those most in need of your care, the poor and the destitute, still have limited access to quality medical care. It is our duty as responsible citizens to play our role to mitigate the suffering of the common man. Ladies and gentlemen, access to quality healthcare is required by every citizen. There is an immense shortage of doctors in Pakistan when compared to the total population. Yet, despite all odds, doctors are playing a healthy role in alleviating the suffering and pain of the poor and destitute of this nation. I urge you to remain committed to the ethics and canons of your profession while realizing your full potential as doctor and become a helping hand of the government to make Pakistan healthy and disease-free nation. I once again congratulate the Vice Chancellor of Faisalabad Medical University, Vice Chancellor of the University of Health Sciences Lahore, the management and faculty of the university and all the graduates. And finally, I want to say to you, you are very lucky that you have become doctors. और एक बात मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ कि you have a very noble profession. This opportunity has been given to you कि आप अपनी रोज़ी भी कमा सकते हैं and you can serve the people as well. तो इसलिए मैं खुद भी as एक एंटरप्रेन्योर और चार्टी में काम करने वाला एक सोशल वर्कर हूँ और मैं अपने डॉक्टर जो हैं जो मेरे 2 अस्पताल मैं इस वक्त चला रहा हूँ, वन इन टोबा टेक सिंह एंड वन इन चीचावतनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट साहिवाल, तो मैं एक ही बात कहता हूँ अपने कंसल्टेंट्स को भी, डॉक्टर्स को भी, नर्सेज को भी, जो पैरामेडिक स्टाफ है उनको भी, कि जब आपके अस्पताल में कोई पेशेंट एंटर होता है तो बस सिर्फ आप ये समझ लें कि ये आपका बाप भी हो सकता है, आपकी माँ भी हो सकती है, आपका भाई भी हो सकता है, आपकी बहन भी हो सकती है, आपका बेटा भी हो सकता है और बेटी। और जिस तरीके से आप पेन फील करते हैं फॉर योर फैमिली मेम्बर, उनके पेन को भी उसी तरह फील करें, तो इंशाल्लाह ज़िंदगी में भी आपकी कामयाबी होगी और आखिरत में भी आपकी कामयाबी होगी, ये मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ। तो मैं एक बात कह के अपनी बात ख़त्म करूँगा कि पाकिस्तान हैज़ मैनी चैलेंज। हमारी नेशन में गंदा पानी पीने की वजह से, प्रिवेंशन केयर ना होने की वजह से बीमारियों के अंबार लगे हुए। आई जस्ट गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल कि आई स्टार्टेड वन इनिशिएटिव अबाउट दिस हेपेटाइटिस एंड आई सेट द टारगेट फॉर माई फाउंडेशन कि हम 1 लाख लोगों की स्क्रीनिंग करेंगे। तो हमारा ख्याल था कि देयर विल बी मैक्सिमम 10% विल बी द पेशेंट ऑफ हेपेटाइटिस, लेकिन मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली एवरी सेकंड, एवरी थर्ड पर्सन जिसको हम चेक करते हैं वो हेपेटाइटिस का मरीज़ है। तो इसके लिए हमें कंसर्टेड एफर्ट करनी है। सारे, अभी मैंने वाइस चांसलर UHS से बात की है और हमने एक पार्टनरशिप और कोलैबोरेशन के साथ इस डिज़ीज़ को भी टैकल करना है। और प्रिवेंशन की चीज़ें जो हैं, दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट। यू कैन क्योर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल एंड वी डोंट हैव प्रिवेंशन केयर, देन देयर विल बी मोर पेशेंट्स फॉर दैट डिजीज। तो इसके लिए भी जो हेपेटाइटिस है, जो मैंने यहाँ पर रिसर्च की है, इसकी 4 बुनियादी वजूहात हैं। इसकी एक वजह यह है कि सिरिंजेस जो डॉक्टर जो हैं एक की बजाय 10 मरीज़ों पे इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वो कर रहे हैं। बार्बर शॉप जो हैं वो भी एक बन गई हैं सोर्स टू इंक्रीज दिस डिजीज। जो डेंटिस्ट बैठे हैं वो भी एक सोर्स बन गए हैं डिजीज़ का। तो ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं, इनके लिए हमें एक मौसर कैंपेन भी चलाना है और वी वांट टू मेक दिस nation a healthy nation, and I'm sure all of you can make a great contribution to this great cause, Pakistan Zindabad.